guys, this is another video, and this is my phone. I'm currently trying to tear it down. I've already reviewed this, but yeah. So after this, we're gonna do a little showcase of this. More calm. Okay, so I do that. Okay, we're now here, and this is the teardown. So yeah, we got some pretty basic things here, such as the touch port. We got the screen here. It's a bit bent. Obviously, we have the connector here. We have the brackets and all that stuff. All that good stuff. So here we have the battery. We have the 2000 milliamp hour battery here, just wedged. I specifically made this so that it can be detached. And that is the total battery capacity of 6,000 milliamp hours. This is another 4,000. Pretty big. That's just weird because we're gonna be using a fast charge on this thing because the charge on this thing is very slow. We have terminals here. We have the other chips and stuff, and we've got the motherboard. Camera here. They've actually wedged a board under here. There's a board under here that says 6,000 milliamp hours. This is what powers these three cameras. These are basically the main camera, obviously 200 megapixels, and that's very big. We have a telephoto, we have a ultra wide, and we have a zoom. We have the telescope camera, and we have the backup in case it somehow doesn't work, and we have the LED flash. Basically the flashlight. And we go here, you would see that. I actually can't take this off because it's too hard. So we do a tear down of this. Obviously, so you'll be like, and see you in a second again, guys. Okay, guys, I can seem to not do this now because this will tear the wireless charging cord, the cardboard one. This will tear it off, so I can't do that now. Can't do this, and I actually seem to have bent the housing, the back glass of this, or the cardboard. Yeah, this is not attached all the way. Might have a pickle because it's completely destroyed, man. Yeah, it is. It's completely destroyed, and this seems just a bit, and we'll do the full review. Okay guys, I'm back now, and we will try to put this screen on. Okay, here. Apply some glue because that's physically my thing. But I have an adhesive, not glue that connects the screen of your phone. You'll obviously be putting back the screen on and mess with the internal, so I'm probably gonna be resetting this. No, this doesn't work. Yeah, at least we do have a functional. This SIM card here is from a carrier called my country, TNT, not AT&T. Okay, let's try to put this on. Here. Oh my god, it flipped over. So I'm just see you in a second because I'm holding my phone. So yeah, bye guys. Oh, see you in a second. Here is the JPhone 6 Max. We're gonna be reviewing these later in next videos because this one literally has a cool design, but it's just this shape. Also, here there's also a projector, one at the very top, so similar. I didn't say that because I forgot to say that because I was finding this video like. Did I just We'll just see in a second. I guess I'm not gonna remove it, but see in a second. Here it goes. This is what the phone looks like on the outside, so yes. It's relatively light and compact. This is even smaller than I think an iPhone 6. This is even smaller. Yeah, so we're gonna be reviewing those other phones next, and if this were to be real, and the price would just be, it's really cheap because so maybe data on those, and I think telephoto here. It's a 41 megapixel. This one is a 12. This one is a 9. So yeah, big differences here. The telescope camera is also, it's also 200. This one is only just 2 megapixels. So yeah, we're talking about here, and this is not real. This is not real, as you can see. That looks very fake. The design of it looks similar to, I guess, modern phones nowadays. It looks similar, but oh well. So I'm just walking around doing nothing. I'm just doing this for fun. But I hope I give you a lesson how to make. This also has a working charging port. I'm not gonna show it right now, but yes, it does have. But the thickness or the width of the charging port, it's more similar to like an iPhone 4 or something, because it's very big and wide. It's just like a 30 pin something. Yeah, the speakers. This doesn't have a headphone jack, but oh well, that's just for you. Don't really know what to do. I guess it's a little drop test. No, I won't do that. And also, this is 4 minutes long. I accidentally deleted the other footage. I didn't delete it, but I accidentally turned it off. So I guess bye, guys. Also, guys, quick mention: we're really close to 250. So I guess just do it now. I mean, it's optional. Also, this is the phone back. Bye, guys. Slowly getting closer. Slowly getting.